Hi guys, it's Vicky, and I'm back today with another unboxing slash enveloping video. This package is also from my sponsor Kandi.com. Don't forget, if you need anything from their website, just use my code Vicky to get 10% off. I got some really cool, interesting products from them this time that I'm excited to show you guys. So let's get started. Yeah. I've got another little thank you player note on my receipts. And another little Kandi family flyer, just like last time. What goodies do we have in here? What do I want to talk about first? Okay, so the first thing I ordered, which I am super excited about, are these little bags of just vowels, which you can actually pick on their website. You can pick any letter from the whole alphabet that you want, but I went ahead and went with vowels because story time. A couple weeks ago I was trying to make these singles that I was trying to make like 10 that had the same word on them, and each word had like a couple of E's in it, and I had to spend like $10 to get enough letter beads to make all those words, just because I couldn't get enough E's. It was annoying. I kept running out of E's. I wasted a lot of money. So these little bags are going to be a lifesaver for me. They're $2 each, and they each come with 50 of the same letter. So whenever I bought like $10 worth of letter beads from Joann's, I got about 9 E's, and then here I can get 50 E's for $2. So can't express how much of a lifesaver this is. I'm so stoked about this. Okay, what do we got next in the bag? I also got, you can order glow-in-the-dark beads of all the same color. For some reason, I use a lot of glow-in-the-dark blue beads, and I'm always running out. So I went ahead and ordered these. They're very cute. And then, alright, let's see which one is which of these. So these are glow-in-the-dark, just white beads. And then these are supposed to be magical beads that change colors in the UV lighting, which I may have to go outside to test because I don't have a black light anymore. My ex-boyfriend stole it, guys. Not very nice. What else? Oh my gosh. So I also got these adorable little owls. They kind of look like those crazy little like erasers that you get. They look like animals, little pencil topper erasers. These guys are $2.50. The glow in the dark bead packs were only $3, and they come with 300. And then the magic beads, how much were the magic beads? $5.49 for 300. So let's go ahead and take these babies outside and see if we can get them to change color. Look at them go! Guys, these things are amazing. They change within seconds, and then when you go back inside, they change back within seconds. They're crazy. I can't wait to use these. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and I hope you found this video helpful in some way, like if you just like really need some ease like I did. Anyways, until next time, peace, love, unity, and respect.